So let's go back to that pattern I had drawn. Here's the correction. High. Or look. High. Again, that's a correction in a bigger downturn. Bullish correction in a bigger downturn. Okay. If we get this, we'll see if it happens. Break this low. What does that tell you? Definition of a trend. Low, lower, high, new lows is the definition of a downtrend, right? That could be a continuation of the bigger trend if we get it. We are super close to an entry here. Looking at my indicators, we're actually there. I'm going to take the trade. Okay, I'm going to move my stop right above that last little high wick there. Okay. We got our pattern, low, lower, high, new lows. This is awesome. It goes above here, it could be losing it, right? So we're just going to manage the trade. I'll show you my actual indicator. This is where I'm taking the setups from. Okay, we took our entry at this blue line. We had 4 down price bars. We got a little reversal happening here. Our stop is at the pivot. You know, it's normal. Price typically won't move in a straight line. It's lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, hopefully. You can see we got some resistance at the indicator. If we get a new low, we're going to trail our stop. Come on. So we're going to go ahead and trail the stop to this high. So what's going to happen is either low, lower, high, low, lower, high, new lows, we hope. But if it bases here, finds support and heads back up, we want to be out. So either way, in either scenario, we want to be out here. And as it approaches here, what we're going to do, because this is a key point, it's a prior low, it could get support, reverse up. Right? What we're going to do is take partial profit. Stop is there. Good move. The partial profit. I'm going to trail the stop down to the bottom of the cloud. We start closing up in the cloud, it could be over. We want to stay with these, right? We want to get big winners, right? It's a balance between keeping profit and letting it run. That's why we took partial, right? We're trying to keep a legitimate stop where if it went through it, the trend would be over, but we want to let, we got 2/3 of this position on roughly. And if it's going to drop like a rock and run, we want to stay with that. Okay, you guys been hanging with me here. You got in at the beginning for hour and 20 minutes. This is a nice trade. So did I get lucky? Or was I patient and disciplined and had a trading approach? We tried one before, it didn't work out. Let the setup come to us. And when you do it, trading's fun. You're just shooting from the hip, driving from the seat of the pants, losing money consistently. Not so fun. Ultimately, Sergio's asking, is there any target? Ultimately, for the day, what we would look at, we would do a Fibonacci extension on the 10-minute chart. Okay. Would be, here's the move down, here's the correction, here's the extension. So we'd be looking at a target down between these green lines. Right. It's not going to go straight down there. You probably won't get it in one trade. We're going to get some nice moves and then a reversal. So you trade that in legs. Right. What we're just going to do is let this go down as far as it will. When the indicators tell us to get out, we'll get out and take that win, and then we'll look for another entry. On this trend down, there could be 2, 3, 4 trades intraday. I'm going to tighten my stop above this yellow line. And I'll close it, not if we touch it, but if we get one of these price bars. These are range bars. I explain those in the course. If we close above the stop, we'll close the trade. I'm going to get ready for it to happen. Okay, we're above it. We haven't closed yet. There we close. So close the trade.
All right, here's a follow-up. I showed the trade that we took this morning in my live demonstration, and that was here. We got into the trade about 9 o'clock Pacific. We took it down. We got out about 9:20. And I showed where I had drawn the Fibonacci extensions given the target for the day. And you can see A couple hours later, right into that target zone between those green lines. That was another great short opportunity. So really using what I teach, there was 3 great trades. You can't really catch that at the open, but there was a great short opportunity here. There was the one that we demonstrated here, and then into the target zone here. We're about a half hour from the market close, so I don't think we're going to get another one. And you can see the trend looks like it's changing because we had lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now we've gone above that. So pretty big retracement. It's kind of bullish, but not a great setup. But 3 awesome intraday trades on the QQQ. And of course, we have signals for lots of other symbols as well. But that was the demonstration today, and worked out good.